Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you something that will help your channel a lot. I will show you exactly how to stop, or let's say block, certain words from showing to your channel. Not only you can block some words, and you can also block some links. So let's get started. First, let's go to Creator Studio. Then let's go to Community. You have so much stuff in Community that can really help the channel. So that's why it's good to visit these settings, because it's good to get used to them. So let's go all the way down. Okay, no, let's go a little up. Okay, right here where it says blocked words. If you have someone come to your channel, for example, I don't know if you have that problem. You might be seeing one particular channel comment on your video as soon as you upload the video. Sometimes it's not a person doing it, it's a bot. That means they set a comment for your channel or for other channels. So as soon as you upload, the comment goes straight to your video, to the comment box. And some of them are like sub for something. So if you want to block this kind of comment, this is how you add it. You just have to add the word, and then so many other words. It's not just that one. So you just have to add the words in that empty box. And if you want to block certain links, you can add the link over here, like hashtag. Let's say hashtag. You want to block an hashtag, you can add some hashtags here. Or all you have to do, normally, you just have to click that little box right here. You see, block links. So in that box, let me read it for you. It says new comments with hashtags and URLs will be held for review. So they will not be showing on your video comments. They will show in your likely spam box. You will review these comments, and then you will decide if you want them to be on your channel to show in the comments, or if you don't. So if you don't want these words to be showing on your video comments, all you have to do is you have to add the words right here, and then for the URL, the URLs, the links, and the hashtags. Let me say it again. For the URLs, the hashtags, the links, you just have to click this button right here. And then after you click the button, you add your words. You just have to go all the way up. Then you will have to click save. As soon as you click save, these words will be pulled for review, so you can see them before you let them show in your channel. Okay, nobody will be able to see them than you. They will be in your likely spam, so you can review these words, these links, URL, hashtag. Then you will decide if you want to delete them. Okay guys, once again, this is all I have for you for today. So don't forget, for the next video, if you would like to see something else, you can just comment down below. Tell me what you would like to see. And if you have someone who would like to see, or you would like to share that video with them, just do it. Don't worry about it. Just do it. That will help them. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.